All right, folks, welcome back to the Wanneroo channel. Hope y'all are doing great out there. Thank you for tuning in, and today we're going to have a great review on the Adams Polishes rolling wheel stand. So one of the things is that, especially for me, I take my wheel tire combo off my car every year, twice a year for the winter tires and the summer tires. And one of the things that I love to do is to basically get everything nice and clean, get all the dirt off. That way it makes it easy to stow everything and store it, and then also take it to the shop to get it put back on for the next season. And one of the things I'd kind of wrestled with was actually doing it here on the back of the RTV. You run the risk of potentially scratching the wheel or something like that. And I had seen on different YouTube detailing channels these different stands that basically have these rollers where you can put the wheel and tire on it, keep it in one place while being able to rotate it around as you need to without running the risk of actually scratching the wheel and tire. So let's go ahead and get this box open and see what we have inside the box. All right, folks, so after we undid all the protective wrapping, this is what came in the box. So some assembly is required. We got a little bit of instructions here, any issues, all the hardware that should come with it. So you basically get a whole pack right here. Looks like we got a lot of stuff we got to bolt together here. So we'll get that done. We've got our rollers, got the back of it here with the roller. We got some different braces, all that stuff. So I guess I'll go ahead and get everything bolted together and we'll see the final product. All right, folks, so putting it together, just a little bit of fiddle farting with it. Just some of the screws and stuff were a little bit different than the instructions, but no problem really. The other thing too is the little rubber stoppers there on the bottom. They are slightly different than what it shows in the picture, so you got to put the screws in yourself. The other thing is that for these right here, you just need a 14 millimeter socket or spanner for that. But yeah, here we are, all completed. So we're going to get started here, actually working on some different wheels and tires and getting them all cleaned up. So let's go ahead and wrap up this review of this Adams wheel and tire stand for detailing. And the thing I always look for whenever I buy a product and then review it is, does it make your life easier? And the great thing about this is, yes, it's made my life so much easier. I used to have to do all this with the wheels and tires manually, flip them over, rotate them around, worry about scratching them, you know, marking them up on the asphalt. I'd have to get foam mats and all this other stuff. With this, as you saw in the video, it's pretty simple. You just put your wheel and tire on there. I also used Adams wheel cleaner chemical as well. Put that on there. Get a scrub brush and some just regular car wash soap, and just give it a good go all the way around. And yeah, it's an easy day. pretty much like I knocked out 4 wheels in just about no time at all. And usually if I do it manually, it takes me 4 or 5 times as long to do it. This just keeps the wheels and tires from getting scratched and all that. So highly recommend it. I did see some people kind of complain about some of the hardware and stuff, but I haven't seen any issues myself. And if you're interested in purchasing it, check out the Amazon link below. If you do purchase through there, instead of the profits going to Amazon, it just kicks back part of the basically a commission back to the channel, just a tiny little commission. And the more help that we get and the more support we get, more videos that we make. So appreciate y'all. We've got a ton of videos coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned. All sorts of stuff happening on the channel. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.